time to level up. Let's do this! Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to a brand new episode. We are in week 8. It's November 22nd and I hit a new low weigh-in this morning at 74.9 kgs, which means we are officially back to making progress again. Today I will be showing you my full day of eating because it has been a while since I've done that in this series. I am currently consuming 2,100 calories, which is basically a 100 calorie drop from what I was consuming the previous week. In terms of my protein intake, it still ranges between 165 to 170 grams, and carbs, and in terms of carbs and fat, that kind of fluctuates each day. For me, the only two things that matter is my calorie intake and my protein goals. As long as I hit these two on a regular basis, everything else in terms of carbs and fats will fall in place. All right, so as usual in the morning, I get some sunlight and then I go out for a walk for about 20 to 30 minutes. Right after that, I have my green supplement, which I usually don't track. This is about 30 calories or so. Right after that, for a couple of hours, I do get some work done, and then I have my first meal, which is usually around 10:30, I'd say, sometimes 11. During the initial weeks of the series, I would work out fasted, but now I just need to get some energy to really push myself in the gym. So meal number 1, or you can call it a pre-workout meal, is a protein shake which contains 150 grams of fat-free milk and 1 scoop of whey protein, followed by a fruit on the side. Sometimes it's papaya, sometimes it's a banana. Today it's an apple, and with an apple I love having peanut butter as well. I also had an energy bar which was homemade. Now this is something I absolutely love having. It contains all whole ingredients, oats, walnuts, chia seeds, natural peanut butter, raisins, dates, am I missing anything else? Yeah, pretty much all kinds of dry fruits and nuts, guys. I also have my multivitamin, fish oil, and vitamin D3 with my first meal. And this entire meal, which is meal number 1, is a total of about 600 calories, of which 67 grams are carbs, 18 grams are fat, and 40 grams are protein. And after that intense upper body workout, I had a protein shake again with 150 grams of fat-free milk and 1 scoop of whey protein. And for lunch, guys, which was pretty late, I wanted to try out a new recipe with this high-protein paneer. So I made a paneer 65 recipe, an air-fried paneer 65 recipe. I used this high-protein paneer by Farm Connect. 100 grams of it has about 31 grams of protein. And the ingredients along with the quantities for this recipe are mentioned here. I mixed all of that up, set it aside for about 30 minutes, and then air fried it at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. And that's pretty much it, guys. I had that with 130 grams of white rice, some veggies, and some curry that my mom made on the side. I don't track the curry because I don't usually have too much of it. But this entire meal is about 535 calories, of which 69 grams are carbs, 10 grams are fat, and 39 grams are protein. In the evening, I usually crave something sweet. Sometimes I have Greek yogurt with granola, but today I had a protein bar. This is the Max Protein Bar, which is about 360 calories, of which 44 grams are carbs, 14 grams are fat, and 30 grams are protein. Then I went out for a walk to get more steps in. 15,000 steps isn't easy, guys. And finally for dinner, I had 150 grams of rice, 7 egg whites, small portion of veggies, and some dal. Again, the dal has not been tracked. This is about 365 calories, of which 54 grams are carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 31 grams of protein. And with all the meals combined, we get a grand total of about 2,070 calories, of which 247 grams are carbs, 46 grams are fat, and 169 grams are protein. And there you have it, guys. That is my current 2100 calorie diet. I'm still not tracking everything to the T, which is okay. Like I've mentioned before, I have been doing this for many years. So I am okay. I can afford to be a bit flexible. And honestly, guys, you don't have to be 100% accurate with your calories and macros. Even if you are on track and you are off by, let's say, 10%, you are still going to make progress, provided you are consistent, guys. That is the most important thing. Consistency triumphs over everything. So as long as you do the simple things right, the nitty-gritty details can be neglected. And on that note, guys, I will end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.